So I'm going to show y'all how to do a texture rubbing today. So I'm going to try to make this quick so that you guys have time to go and get stuff for yours. But the first thing you're going to want is either a pencil or a crayon. So if you're going to use a crayon, you want to peel the paper as best as you can, because that makes it a lot easier to actually do this. And if you have any old crayons, the paper probably peels a little bit better than a crayon just straight out of the box. But I'm gonna peel some of the paper off. You could also put water on it, it helps peel. You don't have to peel the whole thing, but if you get a good bit of it, it makes this super, super easy to do. So the second thing you're gonna wanna do is find some things with a texture that you can feel, that you think you can put on this paper. So this texture, you can see, this is real texture and I can feel it. And if I draw this on a paper or put a rubbing of it, you won't really feel it, but you will be able to see the texture. So I'm gonna put it underneath my paper and I'm gonna take my crayon and rub it on top of that piece of cardboard. So now you can see the texture on my paper. You can see where those little ridges are, and it'll still work if you don't have any colors, you're using a pencil. Just kind of do the same thing. You see the ridges that are on there. And you can use lots of different colors or one color, however you want to do this is totally fine. Try to find as many different objects as you can to fill up your paper with texture rubbings. You don't have to use the same objects as me. This is just what I have in my classroom. You can go outside if you have a grown-up to grab some stuff from outside, toys, different things in the kitchen that might be good for this. Lots of different things have texture. You can use the bottom of your shoe, any kind of cardboard, toys, fabrics, things that will have texture, and not everything will show up super well. So experiment and figure out what you can find that will give you a really cool implied texture on your paper.